The world's two biggest economies, the United States versus China. GDP means gross domestic product, the total value of everything a country produces. In nominal GDP, the United States ranks number 1 in the world. China follows closely with around $18 trillion. But GDP is not just about size, it's about structure. The US economy is powered mainly by services and technology. Innovation and technology drive American growth. That's why China is known as the world's factory. Now let's compare GDP per person.
The average American earns over $75,000.
In China, the average income is much lower.
So income per person is higher in the United States.
But China has one massive advantage: population.
Over 1.4 billion people power China's economy. In purchasing power terms, China ranks number 1. PPP shows how much money can really buy locally. The US leads in innovation and global influence. China leads in scale and manufacturing strength. The race continues.